is the Chinese cooking channel called Chinese Cooking Channel. Today I'll be doing a stir fry. A delicious stir fry of diced cashew chicken chop suey. So preheat a wok at medium heat. Put about 3 tablespoons of cooking oil in there. I'm going to put about a tablespoon of chopped ginger and garlic. So just give that a quick stir fry. Next you add about 4 to 6 ounces of chicken. So I got some sliced chicken. So just give that a quick stir fry. So I got about a third of a cup of onions and a third of a cup of celery. So these are considered aromatic, so they add more flavor when you sear the onions and the celery. I'm going to put about a half teaspoon to a teaspoon of sea salt. Sea salt is more intense than regular salt, so you might want to use a little bit less than what you do with regular salt, or you can also use regular salt. So the chicken is cooked about halfway through. So just take off the chicken. Just gonna add another couple tablespoons of cooking oil in there. So for this recipe, you can cook any kind of vegetables that you have handy. I got about a cup of zucchini here. I'm going to turn the heat on to high. Just going to sear the veggies. I got about a cup of broccoli. So whatever veggies you have handy. So I cut the broccoli into small pieces and the zucchini into slices. So this way it'll cook faster. Now we're going to add a half cup of green pepper and a half cup of red pepper. So the red pepper is really nice to show the color. So you dice the green pepper and the red pepper. So when you dice it, it's actually easier to cook, it's faster to cook. So chop suey is basically any kind of veggies that you have handy. So I'm just going to add a bit of water there. So this is there, I use my ladle. So now we're going to add some light soy sauce. So add a tablespoon of light soy sauce. We're going to add a teaspoon of sesame oil. So these are kind of the standard sauces that I use all the time for everyday cooking. I'm going to add a tablespoon of oyster flavor sauce, one of my favorite sauces. I'm going to add back the chicken with the celery and the onions. So now I've got 1 tablespoon of cornstarch mixed in a third of a cup of water. So we're just going to thicken the sauce here. So you can see the sauce starts to thicken. So finally we're going to add some cashews. So we got about maybe a half a cup here. So just put that in. So some people just like to leave the cashews on top, that's fine. So put the cashews in just before serving the dish. That way you don't get the real soggy cashews. So give that the final stir fry. Well, this is a nice, easy dish to make. There you have it, a simple dish to prepare. It's diced cashew chicken chop suey. Enjoy.